Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve my easy peasy everyday lashes. I like to go in with the individual clusters. Kiss has some really good ones, and there's also some non-name brand ones at your local CVS. So what I did was I first applied some mascara. Now I'm going in with that toolkit that you get from the Kiss cluster set, and I'm just going to pick up these clusters individually. As you can see, you want to pick it up very gently because they do break depending on the density of the band. Now I did put some glue on the back of the case. I'm just using that to first spread on my lashes. It's on a cluster. I'm spreading it on my lashes and then I'm sticking it into place. Now with your glue, you want to make sure that it's tacky. I've had this glue for relatively 2 months, so it gets tacky easier than it would if you just purchased your glue. So you might want to wait about 2 minutes before going in and applying your clusters. And as you can see, I am just getting as close to my waterline as possible underneath, and then I'm just sticking that cluster on. And because my glue is tacky, this process is super easy. If your glue is not tacky, you will have a difficult time putting on your clusters because they are going to move. The glue may get into your eyes and it's just going to be a mess. So just make sure your glue is tacky. And again, as you can see, I am opening up my eyes as wide as I can. I'm looking at my waterline, and right before I get to my waterline, that's when I'm sticking down the cluster. So right above that waterline, right below your lash line, that safe space. If you bring it down too far within your lash line, it will irritate your eye and you will have to take it out. You're actually going to feel that immediately. So you know whether or not it's in the right place. You want to tack it down so that you're unable to see the lash band. And I normally go back and darken in some areas. I normally go in with the end of my eye, the middle, and then the inner corner to just add a little bit more volume in those areas to give it some dimension. And you will see a few different mistakes that I make because I want to let you know that practice makes perfect. So if you mess up, don't get frustrated with yourself. Just keep on going and you will get it. And this is the finished result. It looks nice and natural, and this can be an everyday lash. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.